So this is where I parked up last night. Kalamata is over there somewhere. And this is the river where the river comes out. So it's probably not the cleanest place to go swimming, but I don't care because I'm not gonna go swimming. It's about 7 degrees right now, and the air is so wet, so it feels much colder. I tried to drive over to park over behind there, but there are some RVs there, and I'll show you. But yeah, it's a beautiful place. I didn't want to park on the beach, like I mentioned. It's sandy, but I found a good spot. Pretty good spot. Oh, there's some nice rocks here too. I'll look at them when we come back. Anyway, and there's loads of birds. Like, I've been eating breakfast and the birds have just been flying around me. And it's a beautiful area, and this flat area here is actually the warmest of Kalamata. If you go to Kalamata city, it's gonna be colder, so this is like a heating spot. Make sure you look where you're walking because there's a lot of dog poop. So I was wondering if I should park up here. You can see I drove here to check it out. So this is me turning. Could back up here. It seems like there are other people that have done that. This is a nice, it seems like there's been a bridge here, but that's gone right now. But nice area. And some beautiful little boats. Let's see, take a picture of this. Here we go. And then you go over this bridge. It would be nice to have a little houseboat by the river here. It would be cozy. Cute little bridge. And it seems like there is a water tap. These little constructions like this are usually water. I don't need to fill up. Like I said, here we got some dogs and some caravans. And like, I do understand why people want to live or travel in a caravan, but they take up so freaking much space. You know, it's impossible. Like on the back here, we could at least have 10 of my cars parked up, but you can't fit more than three caravans. And that's what sucks. They take up so much space. They don't really care. There's a lot of caravans down here too. And it doesn't seem like there are any more water here, so I was wrong. Tap is gone. Lots of these garbage cans here. But as you can see, it's starting to cloud over there. So I think I'm just gonna get into the car and go for a little hike to the waterfall. If I'm not gonna wait until tomorrow, because it's gonna be really nice weather tomorrow. Let's see if we can get a nice picture of the sunrise. You know, everybody is stressing about Christmas, and I'm here doing stuff like this. But yeah, those RVs, I couldn't even, like, I didn't take the chance driving around them either. I could have stopped up on the place here, parked here, but you know, I just didn't want to go in the soft sand in front of them. So they got the whole place to themselves. This is a beautiful walk out to the lighthouse, because there's no lighthouse anymore. But there's a little platform, and as you can see, the fishermen come here to fish. And we have the sunrise. I'm gonna see if I can get a good picture. You have all of this beach too. Man, it's nice here. I'm so glad I went here. It's gonna be clouded over at where I was yesterday too. So yeah, and this is the reason I have a small car. Let's see, is it closed? Is it this way or is it this way? Probably this way. I lost the map, so I have to check. Oh, well, okay. Enter with my responsibility. As you can see, it's starting to cloud over a tiny bit, and I have no idea. I can hear the water, but I have no idea how long it's gonna take to get down there. The parking is up here, so I guess we just walk down and see how long it takes to get down there. And I don't think it's warm enough to take a bath, but maybe I wash my hair and then go back to the car before it starts raining. I guess this is the first waterfall, and it's beautiful. It's probably icy cold, so you can go this way, and I see there's a trail going further up, or you can go further down. Let's just go down here and watch this one. Oh guys, look at this! Oh! Snow chimps in fall. It's so funny. It's like this part is almost like, you see here, it comes out. This is almost like spring in Norway. Oh, look at this clear water. And then you have this one on the back here. Nice. Oh, look at this beautiful, beautiful water. This would be lovely if it was hot, like summer. Oh my gosh. I understand why it's popular, because it's incredibly beautiful here. Wow. Oh gosh. Look at this. Oh, it's amazing. It's freezing. I touched the water, it's freezing cold. And that's no wonder, because it's coming up from the mountains. But amazing. There's no fish. There's no life in this water at all. And the best thing is, this is just like 5 minutes away from the parking. So you can go here and swim in like 5 minutes away from your car. And if you go further down, there are more lakes down there. So we're gonna go a little bit up and see if we can find more waterfalls. And then you go 2 steps up, and suddenly there are more cute little waterfalls. Oh yeah. And even a bridge. Look at this. And there we have the other waterfall. So I can go this path, or I think I can go over here. Wow. Well, I'm not gonna film anymore because I think you need to come and see this for yourself, because this is just amazing. Yay! Holy crap! Oh, whoa, whoa! Oh, this is deep! Shit! This is... I know I said I'm gonna leave you, but gosh! This is like... I gotta be 5 or even 10 meters. Oh, we have fish! It's fishes! Tiny little fishes! It's gotta be deep. Oh my gosh. Ah, this is so fun. I'm so glad I went here. I have to come back in summer and try to swim here. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. This one does not look safe. So what you do when you're walking on a bridge that's old like this, you can see it has support on both ends. So what you do is you keep close to the side where the support is. That way you won't go through. And one thing I'm wondering about is, why is all the water in Greece so green? Like cobalt green. How come? Well, yeah, this is I have to be careful here because I don't want to hurt myself. Beautiful here. Doesn't seem like there are any other trails. So you have to go here, and then I guess this is kind of where it ends. This is deep. You can't hardly see the bottom. You can even jump from the cliffs here. Shit. The people in this area must love living here and bathing here, and it's just wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, we're gonna keep climbing and see where it leads us. I think it leads us up to the top here. Okay, don't do this if you're afraid of heights. My heart is pounding. I know I'm safe, but still, do not, yeah, we're going further up, but my heart is pounding and I'm being really careful because if something happens, I am here alone. Oh. So, and this is high. Gosh. I don't have any internet connection, but from what I see here, you can keep going and going and going, and I'm wondering, does this go up to the road so I can walk the road back? And this, I want to go for a swim. It's cold, but oh, I just want to go for a swim. It's lovely here. Oh my gosh. It's just, and there's a fish. I don't know if the camera, yes, there it is. I wonder what kind of fish it is, because I am an avid aquarium keeper and I would love to know what kind of fish is living here. Oh, we have one more. Guppies, maybe? I'm definitely seeing some larger fish down there. So I don't know if the small ones are babies of these or if they are another type. but that means they're fish here, and I'm really curious about what kind of fish they are. I was planning on going here and going up and see if I would go up to the trail this way, but I think looking at this slippery slope, I think I'll just go back the same way I came up. It says 180 meters to the next waterfall, and from that waterfall I think there is a trail going out to the road, but yeah, I'm not gonna bother. So I decided to visit the two lakes further down, and I was like, this is so easy, you can walk all the way. And then we come here. So let's see if I can get down and show you the lake down there. I kind of understand why they have written that this is on your own risk, because that's far and it's steep. Let's be careful. It seems like there's some other people here because there's some footsteps there and I can hear somebody talking. Let's go and see. Okay, I might not do this because I don't know if I'm able to climb up again because it's so slippery and it's gonna start raining later. So I don't know if I want to go down there. I think I'll just turn around here and go back to the car because I also have to poop. Seems to be a beautiful lake though. Again, clear water. That's probably because it's so icy cold. It comes from the mountains. Yeah. I was just sitting here taking a little breather and wondering if I was as far up as this. But I just noticed that it started to drip. And now I'm wondering if I should run up to the car or if I should wait and hope that this is just a little trickle that's gonna pass. I have to run because my shoes are outside. I got back to the car. Met two people with a baby that just went. And I'm like, you sure you wanna go? The rain is starting now. I got back to the car before it really started pouring, now, and I'm so hot. Just need to take off. I breathed because everything was sticky. Because temperature has gone up, I guess. I can't see it. I need a little moment to breathe. Maybe sleep a little. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I am wondering if I should get into a hotel for the night. Just having a room to charge up my EcoFlow, charge up everything basically, and take a hot shower. And just lay around all day with Wi-Fi, download videos to my phone and, you know, stuff like that. So I'm at Hotel Calares, very nice. It's not windy, it's not, at least not in here. I don't know if I should go look for some food or if I'm gonna take a bath first, because this is the hotel room. Nice room. And luckily this is actually charging from the wall, so I can't get a full battery pack. Nice room. And then we have in here, we have a bathtub. But she told me they are gonna remove all the bathtubs and just have showers because I don't know, but yeah. makes me sad. Because that's the only reason I took this hotel. Yeah, nice hotel. I don't like that I can't lock it, extra lock it. That makes me a little bit. Hair dryer. Yeah. Happy.